What's up? Welcome to space. Okay, so let's try to dive right in. I'm going to show you a couple of very useful tips and hopefully you'll pick up some helpful little ideas. So here I am building a Canadian simulator. Let's just move this over here so you can see. So, as you can see, fairly basic Canadian simulator, the kind you might find in the App Store. Hey, buddy. So what we're going to do is try to use some AI to make some of this grunt work a little easier. And one of the things that I want to do is, let's say, create a directory and then add in a version of all these files that is, say, 25% the current size. Please keep all the names and also give me a text file with all of the current names of all the files. So we do this here. We're using Aqua Voice. We're using Warp for the terminal. Press enter, and now the terminal gets to do all this work for us. Never forget to say please and thank you. It means that they'll kill you last. And here we go. Press enter here, and what it will hopefully do is come up with a little resized directory. You review the file plan here. That looks pretty damn good to me. We'll go run. Press enter, it'll check its work, which is nice. Here's the original file names. That all looks pretty good to me. We can use that afterwards. We're going to check it in here. Now, unfortunately, what it's done here is made the files 1 kilobyte big, and that is the downside of vibe coding. So let's vibe code our way back to a working implementation of this. So let's try a revised version of this prompt. Please create a version of all of these files at 25% the resolution and put them all in a new directory that says resized, and make sure it's 25% of the current file size and not 25 pixels. So do that, press enter there. We'll use O1 to create a plan since that usually yields better results. First, yeah, it'll check to see what the files are. Now it's got a clear understanding. That is good. Just wait for it to complete the plan. While it's doing that, I will inspect my Canadian images. They seem good. Yes, indeed. Back here. Okay, we're going to check its plan. Create a new directory for resize. Yeah, good. Yeah, that sounds good to me. Let's give it another shot. This is just all part of the fun and games of vibe coding. You try different things, you try other things, you see what works. This looks a lot more promising at 45 kilobytes here. We'll load that up. Fantastic. All very exciting. Okay, I'm going to leave it there for today, and that is the goal with this channel moving forwards. As I learn new stuff and as I discover new AI-enabled workflows to do things 10, 20, 50 times faster than was possible before, I'm going to be uploading these kinds of little snippets here and there. If you have any comments or thoughts, we'd love to hear from you in the comments and let me know the kind of stuff that you're building, or if you've discovered any useful or interesting ways to approach design or building stuff with your computer. And as always, I hope you have a fun time building your favorite projects as per David Lynch, and have a great day, and I'll see you later.